Bentley seems to have stepped on the gas here to pump the sale numbers and attract a wider audience base. After refreshing the Bentayga V8 and the Bentayga Speed for the 2021 model year, the automaker has now announced a new trim in the lineup called the Bentayga S. It comes with a V8 engine at heart and features a few aesthetic upgrades inside out. But the highlight here is the introduction of the Bentley Dynamic Ride System. So, at the core, the USP of this fourth Bentayga model is its dynamic on-road performance. What powers the Bentley Bentayga S? The Bentayga S is the fourth model in the lineup after the Bentayga V8, the Speed and the Hybrid. The Bentayga S is powered by a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 engine that makes 542 horses and 568 pound-feet of twist. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox and an all-wheel drive system. It takes about 4.4 seconds to sprint to 60 miles per hour from rest and has a top speed of 180 miles per hour. The power outputs and the performance specs are identical to the Bentayga V8. What sets the Bentayga S apart is the introduction of the Bentley Dynamic Ride technology. The automaker had earlier equipped it in the Continental GT Speed 2. This is essentially an electric active roll control tech that features a motorized 48-volt system to prevent body roll. The system can generate up to 959 pound-feet of resistance in just 0.3 seconds to counter the cornering forces and keep the body stable. With this, you can carve the corners at high speeds confidently. It also comes with a new sport model that increases the air suspension damping by 15%. The brake system is also recalibrated. Apart from this, the Bentayga S benefits from a new sports exhaust system with free-flowing primary and secondary pipes for those added grunts and blurbs. How different is the Bentayga S on the outside? When compared to the Bentayga V8, the Bentayga S comes with a few differentiating factors. For starters, it comes with 22-inch wheels as standard as opposed to the 21-inch set on the Bentayga V8. Stuff like the grille, tailpipes and windowsills are blacked out. Even the headlights and taillights receive a dark tint. The S badge replaces the V8 badge on the front door. Finally, a new spoiler graces the rear and extends the roofline. What's different on the inside of the Bentayga S? The SUV comes with a new fluted seat design that can be had in a 4, 5 or a 7-seat configuration. Not just the seats, even the gear lever, the steering wheel and the headliner come wrapped in Alcantara. S motifs are embroidered on the seat backrests to differentiate it from the standard V8 Bentayga. A 10.9-inch touchscreen is present on the center console. The automaker updated it for the 2021 range and it is said to be brighter and has a higher resolution when compared to the previous model. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto as standard. Conclusion. There's no word on the pricing, but we expect it to be slot between the Bentayga V8 and the Bentayga Speed. The 2021 Bentley Bentayga V8 starts at $183,000, whereas the Speed sits at the top of the throne with a price tag of $251,000 approximately. Going by this, the Bentayga S could be priced at a little over $210,000. The company didn't specifically announce the arrival date, but this fourth Bentayga model is already up on the official website and even the configurator is live, so it means it is available for bookings now.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.